They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's everyone doing? This is Sound from Comic Submission, giving you another reaction review and unboxing to shoes. This time around we have some exclusive releases. You can kind of see him peeking a little bit over here. Let me kind of nudge him away. The YUNG-1 model, they have colorways dropping. Freesia, the orange one, is dropping. Watch my separate video to that one and my comparison between that one and this one. But this one right here is called the red orange, high red orange, something like that. And I'm really surprised why they didn't call them the navy or the USA's or something like that, because they give you that red, white, and blue feel, off-white kind of beige. But let me get into it, man. Here we have the box, regular box, trefoil, Adidas box. You know what I'm saying? Have size 12 and 13 available if interested. If interested in size 13 and 12, hit me at Complex Submission Supply. That's the Instagram. This is the size 12. Very similar to the Falcon. I think they call these the Falcon. I'm not sure. If you guys are more knowledgeable upon that, please comment down below. Let me know. Falcon Dwarf, something like that. I'm not sure if those released already, but they're calling these kind of that. I don't know what's happening. They kind of do look like a Falcon. I guess you can say that. Let me get you up close shots of these. Now, would you guys rock, stock, or would you just store these away, sell them, whatever the fuck? I don't know. I would wear these. I would do everything to these. Pause. No homo. Have it. I couldn't get these in my size, neither color, so I wasn't able to rock. I'm only able to sell, and that's what I'm doing for you guys. ComplexSubmission.supply, Instagram. But there you have it, man. I'm not a fan of the EQTs, but these kind of perfected the EQT for me. This is kind of what I think the EQT should have been and should be. Kind of more of a younger vibe. Yeah, youthful more vibe. Kind of more wearable vibe. And that's what I'm all for, man. Thank you, Adidas. And until next time. Sound!
Take it to Chanel cause you fine. Take it to Chanel cause you fine. Pinch your fingernails cause you